In today's video, I'll show you on how you can decrypt PGP message on the gpg4win Kleopatra. Now, if someone wants to send you a message, what you need to do is to send them your private key. To do that, right-click on your name, click export, and then you can export your key to anywhere you want to. In my case, I'll be saving it to my desktop and naming it PGP. From here, it will be saved as a AC or ASC file. So we then want to open it with a notepad to be able to view its content. And basically from there, I'm going to use this encryption tool and I'm going to type, "Hi, this is a message," and then I'm going to paste my own public key. In here, I'll click on the encrypt message and this is what we got. So to view its content, simply navigate back to your Kleopatra application. You then want to navigate through tools and then you want to select the clipboard and decrypt and verify. So you just want to click on it, click on the finish button. Basically from there, it will then be copied to your clipboard. So in my case, I'm going to be opening up the same notepad, and if we paste it right here, we will be able to then decrypt the message. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.